So I just want to say, you learn a lot about these machines by tearing them apart, like how they're made, the flaws, especially the flaws of them anyways. So you can kind of learn, like, you know, what's good and what's bad. What's good is the drive shaft and all these lines are really, really up high in this floor, like, tunnel, and even the wiring harness and everything. So that's good. So, you know, it's like away from like damage because the skid plate's like way down there. But look at all this dirt in here. I mean, yes, look at that. It's got a carrier bearing. I mean, I figured because it's like such a long vehicle, but everything's nice and like compact. And like if this wasn't in here, it would be probably 10 times more dirty. But what I don't like is for the floor vents, it had mud inside that pipe. Like it had stuff like that in there. I actually dumped it out. So the floor vents, we already got the whole floor tunnel removed, the whole dash removed. You have to take the front floor tunnel out first, then the back. And there's 2 pins here and here for the vent. See what I mean? The vent has mud in it, which is crazy to me. We'll go ahead and clean that, but that's what we got going on. Little update while I'm throwing this back together. So if you noticed, that pipe here is the floor pipe on these HD11s that goes to the back for the vents, and it leaks. I shouldn't say it leaks. It had mud in it. So that it got water in it, mud, whatever. So I cleaned it all out, put it back together. I noticed it didn't seal worth a crap on the front, on the back side. So I took some actual duct tape, like the foil duct tape, and I cleaned both sides real good with alcohol. Then I taped it in a couple layers because it didn't seal worth a shit. Excuse my language. Then on this side, it fit really good, so I just neatly put silicone around the whole thing to seal it there. And then for added, because I noticed the boot didn't like suck against it. Let's zoom in some on the back side here. So I put a big zip tie on it to hold the tape and to hopefully pull that in and just hold it all together. So we'll see if that works. I mean, that's obviously better than nothing. Hopefully, when I tear this apart again, we won't have water or mud in there because we do hit some holes. So just an FYI there.